All right, everyone, welcome back to Egyptian Trash Cats. I know it's been a while, and we took a little hiatus when we were in Japan for 3 months. There aren't too many trash cats in Japan except for the little dude Mochi, which when we return to Japan soon, I'll make sure to get some video of little Mochi, our Japanese trash cat. But it's breakfast time here in Egypt, as you can probably hear. So I figured I would do an update on the cat family. There's Kermit, little Kermit, Kermit the cat. Kermit. I just heard from a neighbor that Kermit is over 10 years old. And for those of you that are new viewers, I'll introduce you to all the cats. And for those of you that are old viewers, maybe an update on some of your favorites. So this fluffy one here is Grace. She's such a sweet girl. Grace. This one here is Hairdo, the loud one. Hi, Hairdo. Hey, Hairdo. Yes, it's breakfast time. They're getting feisty this morning. This one, probably the last time you saw her, she was a little kitten. This is Chica. What's up, girl? This one is one of our OG cats here. This is Nieva. Good morning. This is Chica's mother. She had a whole batch of kittens. There's Bertus. We're watching some videos of the little kittens when they were smaller, and little Bert. Again, you can see him. He's such an asshole. Gracie, you're a sweet girl. No, but Bert is very territorial. Yeah, sweet girl. I saw Mila over here a second ago, but I don't know where she's gone. Bert, stop being a little jerk. This one is new, and it's taken some months for him to be friendly. Hi, buddy. This is Snoopy. Come here, buddy. He doesn't know whether he likes to be pet or not. He's confused. Hey, buddy. There you go. There you go. Yeah. Feels good, doesn't it? Here's Gumby. Gumby is also one of the original cats. Alright. Gumby. Alright, you guys want breakfast? Want some food? Bert! Yeah.
All right, Jeffrey's going to give them their Cheerios. Bert's always first to the bowl, and he puts his whole body on the food.
Oh, here's Mila. Mila just had kittens. Thankfully, well, they've started having their kittens somewhere else, and I have no idea where these little kittens are, which is good because it alleviates the burden on us having to take care of these kittens, and they just make their way over here when they're ready. This is Mila. Hi, Mila.
Mila.
So Gamila is Arabic for beautiful, so I shortened that to Mila. Mila and Nieva were two of the first cats that Sarah had. Sarah's now a grandmother. Like, I mean, she must have had six 6 batches of kittens. Hey, chill.
Who's the biggest piggy?
I mean, they're all pretty ravenous. This one here. Ooh. This is Azul. And she's pregnant right now. Hi. She's a sweet girl. I'm pretty sure these are Bert's babies. Because they live, those are the stairwell cats that live in the stairwell in the apartment building.
Bert, how's your breakfast?
And this one is, I'm almost certain, one of Nieva's kittens that's grown up. And I don't name them unless they let me pet them. And this one is still afraid, so I don't have a name for this one. We haven't become friends yet. Hi, you gonna be nice today? No, he's raising his paw up. Not quite there yet. It takes some time. I don't see Tony this morning.
Who's Tony?
Scarface, Tony Montana. He's this big white cat that's, I originally thought he was super aggressive, but he's actually a really sweet boy. He's like the neighborhood tomcat. He's had a rough go with some pretty bad injuries, but it's his own fault because he tries to fight everyone. Sweet girl. Oh, gummy. Hey. So Opie, the big gray cat, is also still around. When we were in Japan for 3 months, he decided he wanted to go explore the neighborhood. And when we came back, he wasn't around here anymore, so we just thought, sometimes cats disappear around here. They just go somewhere else, or, things happen.
We should try to find him.
So we'll give an update on Opie. It's got to remember to bring the camera. So we were grocery shopping, and we were walking down the street, and he was just there, like 2 or 3 blocks up across the big intersection at some other place, and he was just there, and I was like, Opie, and he's like,
yeah, he made a noise.
yeah,
he knew right away.
He knew right away who I was, and we still see him every time we go grocery shopping. She's had a little issue with her eye recently. Come here. Come here, let me clean it.
Kermit, you're an old girl.
There we go, that's better.
This is my favorite kitty.
Yeah, she loves. There we go, it's clean now.
Little vampire things.
There we go. Alright. So yeah, this is the normal, how many is here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Who's this?
So I don't know, there's a couple of white cats. I don't know who this one is. Here, dude, you're so loud. You're so loud. But there's a bunch of them that just kind of come and go that aren't the permanent additions, but the 12, well, it fluctuates, but yeah, these
it's
ones
really
all,
calm down.
yeah.
When
Because
did
they're all big now, so they all know each other and
what was your peak
eat the food.
number?
So when we had a bunch of kittens, there were probably 20 cats around here. And there's a few more that come and go. And I'm not sure where Tony is this morning. He's been coming around. He's got a huge injury on his arm that's been there for like a year, but there's no way I'm going to try to get this guy and put him in the carrying crate. Because he's not like that in there. Bert, just come here. It's Big Bert.
Oh, perfect JPEG.
We can recreate. So
yeah, we have
he loves to bite me. He's a little dick, but
you always have wounds for caring for these
it
cats.
happens. I was looking at some old reels of little Bert, and he was still trying to bite me back then. But it's just like his way of playing. He just gives little nibbles, but he's an asshole. I'm gonna show you one more time. It's Big Bert.
Big Bert.
He's Big Bert.
Cuties.
Yeah, he's the best. You're a good boy. All right, so that's an update on our Egyptian trash cat family. We'll be back with more regular content. We'll try to remember to just take the camera with us when we're out and about to film the Egyptian street cats.
Yeah, that would be fun.
If you want to help support our Egyptian street cat efforts, including our Japanese street cat, little Mochi, if it's still around when we get back there, we'll see what happens. But there's a couple in the neighborhood there. There's a link below where you can support. Just subscribe, like, comment, share. Go watch our other 3 channels. So Egyptian Trash Cats, Let's Go with Lex and G, Ancient Odysseys, and the Land of Chem. Links to all of that in the video description below. And yeah, this is my normal morning, coming out here and just feeding the cats. Everybody seems pretty well adjusted now. They all know each other. It's all, you know, they fight for territory occasionally, but they're all, I mean, they're a little cat family. And this is the normal bunch. I don't think we're missing anybody this morning. Crazy. Oh, come here. Yeah.
Next time we're in Upper Egypt, we can do a temple cat episode.
Yeah, there's some beautiful cat family around the Dendara temple. We got some footage of that the last time that we were in there. But very sweet cats there. This is Miss Gracie.
I think she's an old girl too.
Yeah, so Kermit, Gumby, and Grace were the 3. Hey, why are you being mean? You have food right here. Lay you down at her. Oh, it's food. It's food right here. They were the original cats. And then Sarah, which is another cat that kind of roams around here, had the first batch of kittens, which is Nieva and Mila. And then we had a bunch of other cats come around. Blueberry and Stuart, the 2 orange cats, which they're no longer with us. We had Mad Max. He didn't make it. Sam didn't make it. So basically, Nieva and Mila are the 2 survivors of that original batch of cats. Again, the streets is rough out here in Egypt, and you know, we do our best, but there's a lot of circumstances that are out of our control. And these are not house cats; they're street cats, and they go wherever they want, and they live their little lives. So we had Mila and Nieva, who then had a batch of kittens. I'm pretty sure Bert is Sarah's. Again, she's had probably at least 4, if not 6 litters of kittens since we've been here in 3 years. Pretty sure Bert is Sarah's. Hairdo, also one of the original older cats. Again, we were wondering how old Kermit is, and I heard through a neighbor that she's been here for 10 years.
Wow.
living in the apartment building, and that seems about right. She's an old girl, but I think all of these ones are similar age. And then we've had some random ones come up again. Chica is Nieva's kitten. She's the only one from that litter, and she's very sweet, but she always wants affection until you try to give her pets, and then she doesn't know what to do. Then again, I'm pretty sure this one is also Nieva's. And then we just have random ones like this. I've never seen this cat before.
Oh,
Looks a little beat up. But yeah, you can come eat. Come eat. Come eat.
Here, dude.
Come eat.
Jeffrey's the cat whisperer.
Come on.
Here comes Bert. He's always on patrol.
All right. I love taking care of these guys. Come here, Bert. Sorry, say goodbye to everybody. Come here. All right, bye. Ah! It's Big Bert. Big Bert. Say goodbye to everybody.
Bertuani.
Oh. So spoiled. You don't know how good you have it, you little fucker.
It's true.
All right, we'll see you next time. Egyptian Trash Cats.